In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect QuickBooks Online to Monday.com using Zapier, so you can automate workflows and keep your accounting and project management data in sync. First, open Zapier in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, click the Create button and select Zap to start a new automation. Next, choose QuickBooks Online as your trigger app. Select the event you want to use, such as a new invoice, customer, or payment, and connect your QuickBooks Online account. After that, choose Monday.com as the action app. Connect your Monday.com account and select the board where you want the information to be sent. Now, map the QuickBooks fields to the appropriate columns in your Monday.com board. For example, you can send customer names, invoice amounts, due dates, or payment details directly into Monday.com. Once the mapping is complete, review the workflow and run a test to make sure the data is being transferred correctly. If everything looks good, click Publish or turn on Zap to activate the automation. From now on, whenever the selected event occurs in QuickBooks Online, Zapier will automatically send the information to Monday.com, helping you reduce manual work and keep your team updated. That's it. You've successfully connected QuickBooks Online to Monday.com. Thanks for watching.